Hey everyone, it's Lucas. Let's quickly go through how to create a new Instagram account. Open Instagram and tap Get Started. Choose to sign up with your phone number or email. I'm using email. Enter your email and tap Next. You'll get a confirmation code. Check your inbox, enter the code, and continue. Create a strong password you can remember. Enter your date of birth and then your full name. Agree to Instagram's terms and policies. Now, you can add a profile photo or skip it. I added mine and tapped Done. Instagram may ask to sync your contacts. You can allow or skip this. Review everything, tap Sign Up, and your account is ready. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.